Okay. So now I will just discuss how to find the triangle area of the triangle when one of the vertex is the center and other two vertex is on the circumference. So what you do, you draw perpendicular. Say BM is perpendicular on OA and BM is suppose H. So if you say area triangle OAB is half base into height, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
All of you agree? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, I know OA is R. I know OA is R. OA is the radius, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we don't know what is BM. But we don't know what is BM. Chalo, let us find out BM. Now, this is the angle theta and this is 90 degree. So, in triangle BOM, OB is the hypotenuse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And BM is the opposite to the angle. Opposite to the angle theta. Yes or no? BM is opposite to the angle theta. Yes or
Yes,
no?
Hi,
sir.
sir.
So now, if
Yes,
I
sir.
write BM by OB is equal to sine theta, can I write?
Yes, sir.
All of you accept. BM is the opposite side, OB is the
Yes.
hypotenuse. Yes or no? Agree, na?
Hi, sir.
Yes.
So BM can be written as OB sine theta. OB has been shifted. So BM is your H, OB is your R sine theta. ठीक है?
Hi, sir.
Agree? All of you agree? Now, in place of BM, you write R sine theta. So half R and R will give you R square sine theta. Okay.
Hi, sir.
So area of the triangle, you can remember this way. Half R square sine theta. Theta to kibara libo, 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree kibara libo, no jan. So half into radius square multiplied by sine of that angle.
Hi, sir.
याद रहेगा?
Sir, থাকিব sir.
Yes,
অলপমান
sir.
sums কৰি দিয়ক।
So you apply this to do the sums. नहीं तो हर सम के लिए अलग अलग प्रोसेस सिखाएगा, दूसरा कोई सिखाएगा तो तुम ऐसे करो. Now, obtuse angle is not there in the syllabus, but still I'm just telling you, huh? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
All of you. खाली एक दो ही yes बोल रहे.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, মই deleted syllabus চাইছো sir, segment delete কৰিছে চোন।
हाँ? নহয়.
Sir,
More than
segment
120 degree. Obtuse angle বিলাক delete কৰিছে. More than 90 degree is deleted. होगा सबका?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
do
sir.
you want if the angle is more than 90 degree, what should we do? Should I explain?
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Suppose this is the triangle, okay? This angle is theta, more than 190 degree. OAB. This is your R and this is also R. Now, if I want to find area of this triangle, so I have to draw perpendicular. So this will be your perpendicular now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if this angle is theta, then how much is this?
180 minus 30.
Good. 180 minus theta. So in this situation, your H is R sine 180 minus theta. Okay? Your H will be R sine 180 minus, because this is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. So H by R is sine 180 minus theta. So H is equal to R sine 180 minus theta. So area of the triangle will be half R square sine 180 minus theta. Means if the angle is obtuse, suppose they told you the angle is 120 degree. So আমি ভয় খাবো না লাগে. So half radius square sine 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120 is what? 60. And you know what is sine 60. If they say the angle is 135, so it will be sine 180 minus 135. তার মানে হয়ে গেল 45. Sine 45 তো জানো? বুঝি পালো? If the angle
Yes, sir.
happens to be more than 90 degree, then just take same formula. Only sine of 180 minus whatever is the angle. If it is obtuse, মানে 90 কো যদি বেশি থাকে, মনত থাকিব?
Hi, sir. থাকিব।
Yes, sir.
तो चलो अभी एक्सरसाइज में जाते हैं. So let's go to the exercise number 4, na? Today number 4.
Hi, sir. আজি number
Yes,
4.
sir.
क्या था क्वेश्चन? Somebody read the question. Raghav, you can read the question.
Sir, actually, I don't have the book.
ओहो, sorry. घर में हो, बुक नहीं है पास. Then who will read? Arya, will you read?
A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Find the
Okay,
area of the
just a minute.
corresponding.
Okay. So chord of a circle. Okay. अब mute कर दे. Arya, mute कर दो. So you have a chord of a circle, subtends 90 degree at the center. 90 degree at the center. And radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now what is asked? Find the what do we have to find? What do you have to find?
Sir, minor segment.
Huh? Minor segment. Okay.
Sir, minor segment and the major segment.
Okay. So area of minor segment. Area sector OAB minus area triangle OAB. So area of the sector will be 90 by 360 pi 10 square minus area of the triangle half r square sine 90. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now this is 1 by 4. Did they say anything about pi?
Sir, sir,
3.14
3.14.
into 100 minus half into 100 sine 90 means 1. Isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
425 the 100. So 3.14 multiplied by 50. Sorry. Multiplied by 25 minus 50. 200 can cancel. 3.14 को 25 से फटाफट multiply करो. Somebody help. 4 7s are 28, 29 30 31, 4 8s are 32, 33 34, 4 5s are 20. 28.5 centimeter square. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes.
So now area of major segment. Area of major segment will be area of the circle minus minor segment. Isn't it? पूरा सर्कल का एरिया निकालो, निकाल के माइनर सेगमेंट माइनस कर दो, you get the major segment. Area of the circle pi r square minus minor segment is 28.5. So this is 3.14 into 100 minus 28.5. So you get 314 minus 28.5. Yes? কিমান হৈ যাব? Three fives are 15, 3 8s are 24, 25, 3 7s
Sir,
are 21,
285.5. Sir, 285.5.
285. Sure.
হয় স্যার একদম শিওর
ভুল হল নাকি?
স্যার নয় স্যার এটা একদম ঠিকঠাক হয়েছে
Hmm? 5 plus 5 10, 8 plus 5 13, 14, 8 9 10, 11. Okay. So much centimeter square. Whole?
Yes, sir.
चलो number 5. सबरे होशिले ना? सबका हो गया था ना?
স্যার ওয়ান আছিল স্যার ওয়ান আছিল
Yes, sir.
हाँ लाहे कर किंतु it should be, you should do fast. লাহে সোনকালে कर.
হয় স্যার হয়ে গেল
बाकी सब श्रुति होशे? Shruti Das.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 5 now. Somebody read the question. Shruti por. Shruti, read the question. Shruti, read the question. কি হল? Mitrakho, read the question. Hello.
স্যার হয় স্যার
Mitrakho নাই
স্যার
নেকি?
পঢ়ি দিওঁ নেকি স্যাৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো পঢ়ি দিওঁ নেকি?
কিয় মই যাক মাতি আছো সিহঁতে পঢ়িব নোৱাৰে নেকি? Kripa, read the question. Siddhant, read the question.
In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord.
Okay. So you have a circle. You have a circle, and then there is a chord which has subtended angle 60 degree. Isn't it? And the radius is 21 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. First question, find the length of the arc. Let AB arc, let AB arc is L. Now, how do you find length of the arc? Length of arc is angle at the center divided by 360 multiplied by circumference. Jetia area koribi tetia multiplied by area of the circle. You are going for the length of the arc. So angle at the center is 60 divided by 360 multiplied by 2. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 21. Isn't it? So 0, 0 cancel. 7 3s are 21. 6 1s are 6. 6 6s are 36. 2 3s are 6. 3 3 cancel. So ultimately you get 22 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then area of the sector. Area of the minor sector. Angle at the... Now, we already know the length of the arc. So I told you last time, if you know the length of the arc, area of the sector, you can find length of the arc multiplied by radius divided by 2. Yaad hai?
Yes, sir.
When you know the area of the, when you know the length of the arc, you know the radius, then area of the sector will be length of the arc multiplied by radius divided by 2. So jaldi hoga. 11 into 21, which is 231. Okay. Or agar, if you want to do with the angle, you can do it. 60 by 360 pi 21 square. You can do that also. Same answer you will get. Done. Now, segment. Minor segment. Area of the sector, which is already known to you, minus area of the triangle. Here it will be half r square sine 60. Isn't it?
হয় স্যার।
Everybody agree? এটা फॉर्मूला दी सब
Yes,
अंक
sir.
करियो परिबी एक ही फॉर्मूला से हर सम कर सकते हो 21 into 21 is 441 sin 60 is root 3 by 2 so you get 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4 okay so just leave it like this answer को ऐसे ही रख दो no need of calculating because this is rational number, this is irrational number. Rational minus irrational is always irrational. You can leave your answer like this. No need of calculating.
স্যার পরীক্ষাত স্যার এনেকুৱা টান দিব নে স্যাৰ মানে অলপমান সহজ দিব মানে ইৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰত
এইটো ক'ত টান পালি
তাৰমানে স্যাৰ লাষ্টৰ ফালে স্যাৰ মানে সেইখিনি আৰু কেলকুলেট কৰিব লাগিব ন স্যাৰ
no need just এনেকে থৈ দিলে হ'ল no need of wasting time calculating এনেকে থৈ দিব কোনো বেয়া নাপায় okay no need of calculating huh if you get this type of answer in exam also just leave it like this
ঠিক আছে স্যার
if you have doubt you can verify with your book
Yes, sir.
answer also if you have doubt you can verify with your book answer so number 6 चलो अंकित पढ़ो
Sir, a chord of a circle of radius 12 a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter substance an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and minor segments of the circle.
minor segment and major segment
How is a minor and major segments?
so you have a circle angle is 60 degree radius is 15 है ना तो minor segment angle at the center divided by 360 pi 15 square minus triangle half 15 square into sine 60 so to 1 by 6 now see what is given for pi what is given for pi
3.14. 3.14.
3.14 into 15 square, which is 225, minus half. 15 square is 225. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. I think they have given the value of root 3 also. They gave the value of root 3.
Hi, sir. Sir.
So 225 root 3 means 1.73 or 1.732. কিমান দিছে?
1.73.
1.73. Tolot 2. Let us do like this. 225, 225. We take common. Okay? 225. This you have to calculate because they are all rational numbers. So this is 3.14 by 6 minus 1.73 by 4. So 225. LCM is 12. This is 6.28 minus 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. So 6.28 minus 5.19. 9, 0, 1. So 225 into 1.09 divided by 12. Okay? 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15.
So 245.25.
Huh?
Sir, মানে স্যার উপর মানে 225 into 1.09 আমি মাল্টিপ্লাই করিছি।
এটা 4 से डिवाइड करीबी। So multiply करो 4 से डिवाइड करो। Okay? Multiply करके 4 से डिवाइड कर दो, you will get the answer. Then for major segment, area of the circle minus minor segment.
Sir, answer is 20.4375.
20 point something you should get. You should get 20.4375.
Yes, sir. 20
So then,
point.
yes. Just multiply and divide, that's all. Then for major segment, area of the circle minus minor segment. You will get the major segment. Okay, kar lena. Tomorrow we'll
Hi, sir.
continue.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Tomorrow we'll
বাকি সবগুলো
continue.
ট্রাই করব পারবো না?
Yes, why not? Understood na? It is easy lagi se triangle or area ulabulai.
হয় স্যার।
Yes, sir.
बेहिचक अप्लाई करो. Don't think NCERT बुक में नहीं है, मार्क्स काट देगा, नहीं काटेगा, 1 मार्क ज्यादा दे देगा, क्योंकि जो चेक करेगा he will also learn. Okay then, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yeah, thank
Thank you,
you
sir.
everybody. Yes.